Hey everyone, and Happy New Year! It's Yael Bunting here with your December 2025 Toronto real estate market update. Today we are looking at citywide numbers across all major housing types, and as always, all prices I reference are median prices, not averages. Before diving into pricing, I want to start with overall sales activity because this adds important context. In December, there were 1,359 total sales in the City of Toronto, which is up quite a bit, 16.8% compared to December 2024, when there were 1,164 sales. That is an encouraging sign. You may hear in the headlines that overall sales activity was down 8.9% year over year, but that figure includes the entire GTA. What we actually saw was an increase in the quantity of sales in the 416 and a large decrease in the quantity of sales in the 905. That's something I wanted to highlight as that distinction matters when interpreting Toronto 416 specific pricing. So let's start with detached homes. The median price this December was $1,165,000. That is down from November when the median was $1,200,000, representing a 2.9% month-over-month decrease. And when comparing with December 2024, when the median detached price was $1,215,000, prices are down 4.1% in this segment year over year. For semi-detached homes, the December median price came in at $966,500. That is an 8% decline from November's median of $1,050,000 and a pretty staggering decrease of 18.5% compared to December 2024, when the median was $1,186,000. Overall, I find this number to be pretty surprising for this segment, but here are two things to keep in mind. One is that this is the middle price, not average, so half of the semi-detached homes that sold did sell above this number and half sold below. Additionally, in my personal experience with clients, the inventory in December didn't include a lot of really attractive turnkey homes. So this price drop is likely more due to the quality of properties that were available in December and not some kind of drastic market correction. Moving on to townhouses. The December median price was $1,080,000. That represents a 4.3% increase from November, when the median was $1,035,000. And year over year, townhouses are also up 2.8% compared to December 2024, when the median was $1,050,512. So townhouses are continuing to be a segment that are really marching to the beat of their own drum, showcasing ups and downs that are often different from the other market segments. Turning to condo apartments, the median price in December was $546,500, which is down 5.8% from November's median of $580,000. And compared to December of last year, when the median condo price was $610,000, prices are down by a larger margin of 10.4% year over year. The trend of decreasing condo prices isn't new, and we will just have to see if that continues in 2026 or if somehow, some way, this segment makes a rebound. Looking at all of this together, December shows a market that continues to behave differently depending on property type. Ground-oriented homes, particularly detached and semi-detached properties, are still showing softer pricing both month over month and year over year. Townhouses stand out as one segment showing strength on both timeframes, while condos continue to experience downward pressure compared to last year. At the same time, higher sales volume within the City of Toronto tells us that buyers are active but selective. Now that 2026 has begun, I'm excited to see how the overall market behaves and whether we will see a buyer's market, a balanced market, or perhaps a bit of a seller's market. And remember, headline numbers alone never tell the full story. Property type, location, and buyer sentiments are what shape the market. If you want help understanding how these trends apply to your specific home or your purchase plans for 2026, I would be happy to walk through that with you. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next month for our first report on 2026.